Hello there students, I'm back again and I'm here for tutorial number 2. I hope that you saw the first one. I did the basics of AutoCAD Inventor Professional 2018 version. So this time I'm gonna show you how to 3D model an iPhone. So here we go. So we're gonna start by opening the software and while it's still loading. So I'm just trying to show you how many that you can do so many things with the software. You just have to keep practicing with it. So we're gonna go to a new file. We're gonna create a standard file. We've already done the steps in the first tutorial. I advise you to go to the first tutorial and check it out. Okay, here we start. I'm gonna go to sketch. I'm gonna start with a triangle. I'm gonna do 50 millimeter by 100 millimeter. Then I'm gonna go to the 3D model. I'm gonna extrude the model by 10 is okay. Okay, from now on, I'm gonna fillet the edges just to make them smooth. I'm gonna fillet them with a 6 millimeter. Just click on all of the edges and you do it at once and then click on apply. This is your base model, and then from now on we're gonna add the finer details. You're gonna left click, create a sketch, and you're gonna come here, triangle. You're gonna take a 2-point center. Okay, mine, I did 3. I did 3.5 by 18. But I mean, you can use any measurement that you feel they're gonna give you the same results or even better results. So from here you're gonna make 3.5 again, and then we're down from there, and then you can go extrude this model. I'll show you something. So now we're gonna extrude with a higher length, but I'll show you why we'll be doing that. And then we're gonna extrude. Okay, I want us to be done, so we're gonna go trim the edges again. This time we're gonna use a 1 millimeter radius. It worked perfect for me. cancel this one. And then once we are done, we can go and do our screen now. Before we do that, we have to edit. Have to edit this model. I want to edit the extrude, bring it back to 0.1. I think that's perfect. You can do just to check if everything is okay. And then I'm going to add a new sketch over here. It's going to be 60 by 46. I'm going to extrude it again. This one is fine, you can just do 0.1 as we don't have to trim the edges. And then from here on, we're going to do the main button. This is going to be the shell of the button. We can do it 15. I'm going to extrude a little bit also. But on the opposite side. I'm gonna go here again. I'm gonna create a new sketch. Maybe 8 by 8. And then we're gonna do a sketch which is gonna be 7, which I think should be 6 by 6. 6 by 6. And then from here on, I'm gonna go and extrude the same model. We can do 3 so that we can trim the edges. And then we'll come back and edit the extrude. However you want to do it, remember. I did a mistake. Let me just come here again. Okay, so it's coming nice. okay. And then we're gonna close this, and then we're gonna go back to click this model to edit the extrude, and then we can do it to 0.1. See, already done, already a little bit done on this side. Already did the microphone and the speaker there, so we can go here and do the buttons on the side. Then we're gonna go to triangle and choose a slot of again 5. And we're gonna increase it accordingly. I'm gonna do a 3, do a 3, and then we're gonna go to 3D model and extrude these ones. Can extrude them by 0.5, or let's see 1, and let's see how it goes. I think 1 is perfect. Remember guys, I'm just showing you how you can do a lot of things with this thing. So now, because this is an iPhone, and an iPhone is not an iPhone without the logo, so we're gonna go here, create the sketch again. We're gonna create a circle. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something very, very cool. Okay, I'm gonna show you let me click again. I'm gonna show you something very, 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 very cool. I'll show you something very cool, and then you create another one by 10, and then they'll look the same. I don't like this. Let's delete this one. I want them to be very, very equal. So we're gonna do another 10 here. That's perfect. And then from here on, we're gonna go here. Okay, we're gonna do an ellipse. I'll show you how this one works. And then you click, and then when you're done, you can go here, you can go to 3D model and extrude this. Let's do 0.5 millimeter. 0.5 millimeter. So we're going to create another sketch here. We're going to create a circle this time. You see, you're going to do it exactly at the end of another circle because we want it to come out just right. Let's say we can do 6 millimeter for this one. And look at what we're going to do now. We're going to extrude this one but in the opposite direction. I hope that now you can see your logo and everything intact. From now on, we're gonna go on this side. Here I think we're already done, so now we're gonna go to tools. We're gonna go check the appearances, and this is where the real magic happens, because we're gonna be adding colors now. So with this April, I decided to go with a cool white. So I'm gonna go select this one, and whenever I think I just click here. Okay, do you see how it pops up? And this one, this circle inside, I'm gonna do it just a default, just like this. It's fine. And then this one, I'm just gonna do it a glossy black, a glossy gray. Actually, it's a glossy gray. It's one of the amazing things. Now we can use black. Actually, it's up to you. So you add whatever that you want. This one we can add black. Even this one can add black. I'm gonna show you something. So on the sides, because here it's a bit brighter, this is where you choose your cool white, but only here and here also you're gonna choose your cool white. You see, it's starting to show. Like how it's starting to show now. And at the bottom I'm gonna choose a cool white at the bottom too. At the top is already a cool white, I believe. And then now you want to look at it and see how it looks. See, we're almost there. So what do we need to go now? What we need to do now is go at the back and do our logo as we would like. So we're gonna go there, paint it cool white also. See, it's already beautiful, but for it to just stand out, we can put it black, just so that it pops out, to give it that an amazing color. Now, see guys, it's not hard. Told you, whenever someone says you need to design for them, you need to do something like this. So we're gonna go to the file. You're gonna save this as an iPhone 5. I'm gonna say IP5. We're gonna open a new sketch, a new assembly sketch. Okay, in our new assembly sketch we're gonna place the IP5, the file that we just created. Here it is, and then we just open it, just click it here. Okay, see, now it looks even more beautiful. It's all glossy and everything. Can you believe it? You're gonna save it again. It's a different file, so you can still say IP5. Don't worry, it's a different file. And then we're gonna save it. We're gonna open a new file again, the presentation file. And then you're gonna insert the model, which is your IP5 again. And here it is. You can cancel this one. You see, From here on, you can just take a snapshot. Your snapshot, you take it to raster, you save according to the file that you want, JPG, and here you just saw your snapshot, and then you can turn it around for that logo, that beautiful logo that everyone wants to see. And then just take a snapshot, and then you go to raster, save it as JPG, and that's it, folks. We are done. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. We're done for today, and I hope you join me again for another session. See you next time.